Lesson 59, Texture, Brightness, Weight and Density. Hello, and welcome to this lesson. Today, we are going to learn useful vocabulary for describing how objects feel when touched, how bright or dark something appears, and how to talk about weight and density. A. Texture. Texture describes how the surface of something feels when you touch it. Something smooth has an even surface without rough areas. The paper in a book may feel smooth. Something polished has been treated until its surface becomes smooth and shiny. Examples include varnished wood and a shiny metal surface. Something silky feels soft and smooth like silk. Silk itself has a silky texture, and fine, expensive tights or stockings may also feel silky. Something slippery is difficult to hold because its surface is very smooth or wet. A fish that has just come out of the water is slippery. Something furry is covered with fur or feels like fur. A thick sheepskin rug may feel furry. Something rough has an uneven surface. New, unwashed denim jeans and the bark of a tree may both feel rough. Something coarse has a rough texture made up of relatively large particles. Sand may feel coarse. Something jagged has sharp, irregular edges. Broken glass or metal may have jagged edges. Something prickly has many small, sharp points. A thistle, a cactus, and the thorns on a rose can all feel prickly. Useful expressions include: your hair has a silky feel. This cotton is very smooth to the touch. The table had a beautiful polished surface. The ground was rough underfoot. B. Brightness. A shady place is protected from direct sunlight. For example, someone may sit in a shady corner of the garden. Vivid colors are extremely bright and strong. Carnival costumes are often full of vivid colors. Something shiny reflects light from its surface. A pair of polished leather shoes may look shiny. A dazzling light is so bright that it is difficult to look at. The opposite of bright is dull. Dull colors are not strong or vivid. For example, you wear such dull colors. Why do you not start wearing bright colors for a change? A dim light is weak and not bright enough. For example, the light is too dim to read in here. We need another lamp. The glare of the sun is an unpleasantly strong and bright light. For example, I wear sunglasses when I drive because of the glare of the sun. C. Density and weight. A solid object is hard all the way through. The opposite is a hollow object, which has an empty space inside it. Hair can be described as thick, thin, or fine. Fine hair consists of very thin strands. An area with dense vegetation contains many plants growing close together. The opposite is sparse vegetation, where there are only a few plants with large spaces between them. Something extremely light may be described as light as a feather. For example, your bag is as light as a feather. Have you brought enough clothes? Something extremely heavy may be described as heavy as lead. For example, your bag is as heavy as lead. What is in it? Bricks? An object that is large, heavy, and difficult to carry or handle may be described as bulky or cumbersome. For example, this suitcase is very bulky and cumbersome.